So in the dashboard, we simply choose our parameter. Suppose which parameter I want to monitor. So I simply choose, you can see the nitrogen dioxide or carbon monoxide. Suppose I want to work with the nitrogen dioxide. So now when I need the data, we simply choose the, suppose I need the data for winter. Just I choose the winter, or I choose suppose spring. Okay. So then it will be loaded for the spring of nitrogen dioxide. And also display this map in here. It's loading. And also generating the time series chart in here. Okay. Suppose I need the data for summer. Okay, it's loading for the summer, and then if you check, it's loading the map. Yeah. Loading the map. For autumn.
Okay. Okay.
Get this level. Yeah. So if you check, if you check this type of result, if you say one problem, you can see it show the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Yes.
But it's have a value. Okay, so what's the value? So this unit basically showing the mole per meter square. But when you convert micromole, then we can get the value. Otherwise, it show very less value, and Google Earth Engine show the round figure as a 0. But when I convert the unit, suppose mole to micromole, okay, mole to micromole, when I convert, so let me check. Suppose if you check in here, so when I convert, suppose mole to micromole, then we can get the result. We can find out the result or time series value. Otherwise, it's not showing. So how to convert mole to micromole? If you simply check it, mole to micromole. So we need to multiply this value. We need to multiply this value to get the result mole to micromole. So when I multiply this value, then it show the result micromole. Then we can get the value. So how I can multiply? So for that, I simply create a function. So I create the map function and create this function, element name img, and further I simply put my argument. I want to return this element multiply with this value, to convert mole to micromole. Okay, and I want to copy these properties, all of images. So copy properties, all images between system time start to system time int. System time int. Okay. This thing I also apply for carbon monoxide. Just I copy the same line of code and also apply. So now run the code. Now I hope we can get the value. Now we find out the proper value of all of nitrogen. But now this unit is the micromole. A micromole per meter square. Okay. Okay, we need to change the visualization because we need to change the unit. So we need to also change the change. Okay, so now we need to change the visualization parameter. How I can just click on here, and if I is pressing, just pressing, and further if I just copy the mean and max range, then it looks more pretty. So below is the low and red is the high. Okay, so below is the low density of nitrogen dioxide, red is the high.
Okay.
It's loading, and now you can check. It also show the value. Okay, or we find out that value.
Okay.
But previous time it showed the 0. But when I convert the unit micromole, then it show the value. So just I copy this value and paste here, and also copy this value and paste here. I just paste. So now run the code again and check the what happened. So now this map is also okay. You can see we find out this type of nitrogen dioxide map in the winter season. Okay, winter season, and this is the time reach out. We find out that. Okay. So now let's check for another season, spring. Click on here. So now it's loaded for the spring season. Okay, so the one problem error generating chart memory capacity exists. Okay, let me try for summer. This is the
Okay.
result for. And it look like that. If you simply just stressing, I think it will also more better. Show the result.
Okay, I want to ask a question. This interactive dashboard, is it something that every other person can actually go on Google Earth engine and like check it, like check the air quality because the dashboard has already been created?
Yeah, it also possible. It also possible. So I'll show you this process also how to publish this dashboard.
Okay.
Okay, then you can easily
Okay.
publish, and anyone can easily visit the link, and they can easily use this type of dashboard and get the result and display this
Oh,
type of result. So I'll show you this process also. So we
okay.
can get this type of value, but when I try, suppose we also download the data from here also, as I download the CSV file or others.
Okay.
Yes, so but now for check, suppose nitrogen carbon monoxide. So now it's loaded for the carbon monoxide.
Okay.
Okay, this unit is the micromole. Okay, micromole. This
Okay.
unit is the micromole. So
Yeah.
that's why it show very this type of long value. So I need to change the visualization. Then it will be looks more better. Suppose for the visualization parameter, we simply change in here. So this one for, so just I put here suppose I put the 25,000 and put suppose 37 or 40. With this range we try to visualize. Then it will look more pretty. Micromole unit. Just I run the code. So now just place the carbon monoxide and check it what happened for the carbon monoxide.
Okay.
Okay, so now I can get the more better map. So this type of getting about the low density. Black is the low density. This type of getting about the high density of carbon monoxide for this place. But this type of place is the low density. Show this type of. And also download the data here. So now finally how I can publish the this type of web dashboard. So for
Yeah.
that we simply, okay, so first of all we need to set our object. Suppose set our coordinate. Suppose I simply write here map dot set center this function and put the this type of value. So latitude, longitude and latitude value. Suppose let me check for this place. Click on here and click Well, just let me stop the dashboard and check the value first for the coordinate value. Then I just try again. Just try. Okay, just try comment and run the code again. Okay. So now I just click on the Explorer tab and click. Just I run in here. Let's show this type of, we can see the coordinate. It's a longitude, just I copy. The longitude I copy and it's a longitude, just I paste. And latitude, just I copy. So and also paste in here. So this thing we need. And also put the zoom. I put the zoom level, suppose 8. So I just did the map there. And also I set the base map, suppose map dot